Okay, welcome back, guys, to another episode of Expert Studio. Today, I am going to share each and everything regarding the deposit and withdraw on Syncrobit Hybrid Exchange. In my previous videos, I will definitely add both cards in my this video, so you'll be able to know what is Syncrobit Hybrid Exchange all about, and you will understand each and everything regarding this exchange. And you must have to testify this exchange at least once, so you will understand that what you are going to use now. Before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio, and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of the update. First of all, you have to sign up on Syncrobit Hybrid Exchange. Then they will send you an email, okay, with the confirmation link. You have to confirm that one email, and then you'll be able to log into your account directly. After login, you must have to complete your know your customer. It will hardly take, you can say, 24 hours or 48 hours to basically accepted by the team, and then after that, basically your KYC will be approved and you'll be able to deposit and you'll be able to withdraw your funds. Okay, basically deposit is not a issue, but for the withdrawal you must have to complete your KYC before. Then it will be entirely easy for you to use this exchange. Now the main point I'm going to share with you how you can basically deposit and how you can basically withdraw your funds from main exchange Syncrobit Hybrid Exchange. Okay, first of all, you have to log in and then you have to click on the wallet. Then you can see over here the spot wallet is basically here. You have to click on the spot wallet, then basically a new page will basically open in front of you. Here you can see all the assets are basically here. Now for example, I want to deposit, you can say LTC or XRP, anything. Okay, first of all, I'm going to deposit LTC on this exchange, so it is entirely easy. Now when I'm going to click on deposit icon, they will show me both. Okay, for example, if I'm going to basically deposit the LTC from the internal exchange, it means from an other account of Syncrobit Hybrid from an other account of the Syncrobit Hybrid Exchange, or from the external. Right now I'm going to deposit it from the external, so I'm just going to click over here. So right now I have to basically copy this address, and then I can easily deposit my LTC towards Syncrobit Hybrid Exchange. Now we are going to talk about the internal. What is internal? For example, if you have about you can say the 2 or 3 accounts, or for example if you want to deposit from an other account of Syncrobit Hybrid Exchange, so it is entirely easy. You just have to copy this user ID, and then you can basically easily send your LTC on this user ID. So that will be entirely appreciable, and it is entirely free for you to deposit that one LTC. Now the second thing, how you can withdraw your funds. You just have to click on the spot wallet again. Then basically another page will basically open in front of you, and then I will tell you that how you can easily withdraw your funds from this exchange. It is also it is entirely basically easy for you to basically, you can say, to withdraw your funds directly from this exchange. Here you can see it by yourself. Now Litecoin, for example, if I am going to click on the withdraw option, then they are going to ask me the same question, that either I want to basically, you can say, the internal transaction, or for example I want to basically withdraw my LTC to any external account. For example, if I'm going to say internal account, then I only and only have to enter the user ID of the second guy to whom I am basically sending my LTC. Then I have to basically obtain up the amount and everything. Here you can see only and only minimum withdrawal is about 0.213. That is entirely low. And also you can see the transaction fee is only and only 0.016 LTC. That is nothing, seriously. So for example, if you want to withdraw externally, then you have to click over here, and then basically you can send your funds on any external account. So it is entirely easy for you to deposit and withdraw your funds, but first of all you have to complete up your KYC. As I told you, it will take hardly 24 hours. Then you'll be able to use all the features of Syncrobit Hybrid Exchange. In my next video, I will definitely add how to trade on Syncrobit Hybrid Exchange. Then you will understand each and everything regarding this exchange, and you can also find a separate playlist of Syncrobit hybrid exchange on our channel. So you must have to go and check that one, because in that very the main playlist you can find all the videos regarding Syncrobit hybrid exchange. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. Thanks a lot.